so much in common with you Homo sapiens. But they're from downstairs. A long, long way downstairs beneath the Earth's surface. They're cold-blooded, see? So they're just adjusting themselves to the atmosphere up here. Have no fear, ladies and gentlemen. The Sinurians are trained warriors, trained to obey military command signals, which I have at my fingertips.